position.
Right, straight.
Hold on, we got to straighten out first.
Now.
Okay.
Okay. You're going to aim for the fire hydrant. Don't worry about me and Mama.
Just look
okay?
straight ahead and pedal.
Look straight ahead and keep pedaling, okay? Leaning. Balance. Oh, you're totally doing it. Good job.
Try that again. That was Mommy's fault.
Now, when you start to lean, we're going to kind of push you back up.
Yeah.
All over, probably. All right, let's spin you
ready?
around.
Turn around, do it again.
Sorry. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to aim for the yellow pole, okay?
What yellow pole? That one.
Don't worry about anything. Worry about pedaling.
Do we both point at the same one?
That one.
Yeah, okay, good.
On the left or the right?
Aim towards your training wheels.
Okay.
Okay?
The left or the right?
Training wheel.
I'm going to go to blue.
Okay, left.
The left pole.
Go.
Okay?
Hold on.
You're the one going. Push.
Go.
Pedal.
Okay, go.
You're leaning. Starting off leaning.
Whoa.
Lean back the other way.
Go.
You're doing it. You're doing it. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling.
You got it. You got this. You're going.
You're doing it.
You're totally doing it all by yourself. Look at you go.
Nice. Okay. All right, let's spin around.
This is fun. I would have been here all day.
All right. Now, watch out for the. Should I move the training wheels?
I
Pause.
guess so.
Pause for a
Take
second.
a break for a second.
Okay. All right, take off.
Okay, ready? Start going.
Take off. Right all the way this time.
I wasn't ready.
Little off course. Okay.
I wasn't ready. Mommy just said it ready.
Okay, that's okay. Whenever you're ready, and you just focus on pedaling and aiming towards the fire hydrant.
Go.
Go. Practice your balance, okay?
Mommy's the one running fast.
That's okay. Don't blame it on Mommy. You're riding a bike, and you can do it. You've already proven it. Oh, you're totally doing it. Keep going. You got a little bit going.
There's a fireplace. Fireplace.
Okay. Nice.
Right. Yeah, let's lay off the wiggles for a minute.
Get your balance. You rode almost the whole way by yourself. And she started to lean and she corrected.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay. Ready? Right. Aim towards the yellow thing. Are you okay?
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
I was trying not to, but I'm like,
Keep
no, I
going.
got it.
Keep going. Keep going.
Okay, focus.
Pedal hard.
Whoa.
You totally did it.
Your breath was going to my neck. Again.
Oh my God.
On.
All right. You want to switch? I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get you in position. All right, bike rider. Pedal.
Okay, go.
Pedal. You don't need
Go,
us.
G.
You don't need us.
Whoa.
Let me and Mom pause for a minute.
That was a great one. I didn't talk to you the whole entire time.
That was a good one. Okay, let's sit.
I'm riding a bike, dude.
I'm riding a bicycle. I'm riding a bicycle. I'm riding a bicycle.
Cool.
Woo!
Do that thing from earlier. Don't know what you're talking about, or
You know what I mean?
you know what I mean, man.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Nice. I can't believe you rode your bike.
I can.
No, this turns, this records.
Okay. You know what I mean, man? You just had a major freak out. You had a major freak out, man.
You are the cutest bike rider on the planet. Whoa!
Oh boy.
Misty plunge. Okay, ready?
Yes!
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'll
What are you, the
stop.
director? I'm the director.
Take 3.
Okay, turn the bike around. Oh.
I'm turning around. What about it?
No.
No?
Get used to it.
Yeah, get used to going straight for now.
Hey. Hold my bike for
Someone
this
wrote
time.
tacos.
Miss Ralph.
Oh, sorry. Okay, what are you aiming for?
The pool.
Which one?
The one on the left.
Okay.
Left pole. That's where we're going.
Okay.
Don't stop
You
pedaling
take
until you
us
get there.
Take us there.
Go,
Grace.
go. Don't stop pedaling until you get there. Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Keep going.
That's okay. I saw you getting in trouble, so I grabbed her. Okay, let's
Like
go.
arms off the-
You weren't going towards the pole. You're going towards.
that-
Look, she's
That's the
totally
problem.
doing it on her own right now. Lean.
I had a major freak out.
You had a major freak out. Okay, brakes off.
Okay.
Brakes off. Let's go back towards the sidewalk now. Are you good on that side, honey? You want me to get on that
Oh yeah, no, I'm fine.
Okay, what are you going for?
The high
Okay, go. Uh-oh.
I wasn't ready.
Well,
You were.
you're the one riding,
You're
not
doing
us.
But I
Paddle.
hold on.
Okay, let's stop.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Go. I did it the other way. You silly
Okay.
god.
Honey, let me help you.
Okay.
When she starts to do that,
I just want to go wherever I'm going.
no, we
No.
got to know where you're going because we got to know if you're falling
Like,
over
what
or
if
not.
you're like going into traffic? You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
no, you got to know where you're going. Okay. When she's starting to lean,
To turn
don't
here.
grab, push here.
Oh, okay. Make her
Yeah.
rebalance the other way.
Yeah,
Right.
just push there.
Okay.
Okay?
I was hoping she was correct. Because she was still riding.
Spin, spin, spin. Good job. Keep going, keep
Good
going.
job, G.
Keep going. Keep going. You are totally a bike rider. I was like, I can't even save her at this
Good
point.
job.
The only thing I could do is fall.
Good
fall.
job putting your leg down. That was perfect.
The only thing I could do at that point is just fall underneath her. Cause I'm like, awesome. Here, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. No, let's back up all the way to the pole. Rider reporting for duty. All right. Goodness. Okay, you are riding all the way to the fire hydrant.
Fire hydrant.
Okay,
Wow.
no help. No help from us. Okay, get started straight. You're doing it.
Fire hydrant. Got it.
You're leaning. Go back. There you go. Nice.
All right, good job.
You want to keep going? Keep going.
Okay.
Oh, you're doing good. Wave at your friends. They're watching you learn. See, that little girl's your size and she can ride.
No, she's just standing there.
No, that girl right there.
Yeah.
Oh, we should have brought water.
I know.
I'm dying.
I should wear a different shirt. I'm gonna have to swim.
Yeah, but the other
She's
girl
like
doesn't.
2.5, 3.
She did the turn and all the way
Uh-huh.
back. All right, G.
Again.
Go. What are you going for? Fire hydrant?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Balance. You're on your own. Steer towards the fire hydrant.
There you go. You got it.
Look at that, all on your own. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
I got
She was trying to turn.
Better.
I know.
I was trying to turn
Sorry, I
around.
didn't realize that.
Good job.
I thought you were
Nice.
going down. Right, Mr.
She
Butter,
likes
she turns.
She
She
likes
likes
to
to do a wide turn.
She likes to swoop into the
All
turns.
right, got it.
Let's do right turn, okay?
All right.
I don't know how
Now,
to do.
you're gonna keep going, okay? Just keep going. Go towards the post, okay?
I'm going to the left.
Okay.
I mean right. Thank you.
Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Ow.
Sorry.
You got it, G.
Really?
Okay, we need a break.
I know you're wearing us
I
out.
need a break too.
Okay,
That's
let's
okay.
Ah!
dismount.
Because remember, we still got to get home.
Grace for launch? Say go for launch.
Go.
For launch. Go for launch.
Okay, just push on her handlebars, honey. Aim at the fire hydrant. Give yourself enough room.
You got it. You're recovering. You're recovering. You got it on your
Okay.
own. There you
You gonna
go.
make a wide right? Oh, you good. Corners are tough, but we'll work on it. Wow. Good save, Mom. I wasn't even close.
When I'm nervous, I bite my sweater.
Oh, you're not nervous. You're doing awesome. How bad have you gotten hurt so far?
Not at all.
Not at all. Yeah, it was just a
That
scary.
didn't hurt. You had a rock in your hand.
Okay, let's go.
Merely a flesh wound.
Okay, we're gonna turn and you're gonna keep riding. Keep going. Keep going. Lean into it. Okay, you got it. Look at this. Keep pedaling. Know where you're aiming. Know where you're aiming. Be ready to brake. Be ready for brakes.
Stop. Look at it.
I'm going to let you do that. Whenever you stop, I'm going to guide you to the ground, okay? Because that's how you're supposed to dismount, okay?
One more.
One more down and back.
This is it, G.
And then we got to go. Okay? Right turn. And just keep pedaling right on into it. I'm not going to stop.
Do you need me on the other side?
No.
Here, I'll run you.
You're doing good.
You got it.
You're okay. Give yourself plenty of room to make your turn.
Okay, good turn.
Okay, keep going.
Okay.
Back to the yellow. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Go this way. Brakes.
Okay,
Brakes,
start
and we're going to go down to the ground.
Nice.